Okay, so here's a bit of a tour of the place. Come in, the entryway. Here's our luggage, interesting stuff. Walk through the front hall. Walking through the front hall. And here, first door on the right is laundry. Very exciting stuff. And we have a bathroom in here. Should we turn the light on just so we can see it? There we go. Pretty standard bathroom. Nice and big. And then we go down this hall. My favorite piece of art in the place. And here we go into the bedroom. Kids' bedroom. The trundle underneath. And there's a closet back in there, very exciting stuff. And the bathroom, a little dark. Bathroom. Oh, you caught a sight of me in there, unfortunate. There's Daddy's in the other room. Their new TV. Reading. Comfy chair. The kids eating. The kitchen. I will in a minute. I'm making a video of everybody. Here's our dining room. Living room. Yeah. Here's the corner. Emily, who thinks everything's funny. There's some tooting sounds. That's where the wine fridge is going. It's the master bathroom. Looking kind of pretty now. The circle, doing the circle just like on the real estate stations. Nice. And here's uh-oh, gonna see me again. Don't want to do that. Here's the bathroom. Piece of art that still needs to go up. A nice tub. Stand-up shower, walk-in closet, and the toilet in there, not that interesting. Going back through the bedroom, and we have a nice view of Diamondback there. View. And then walking through, very hot day, going out to the patio. So things are still coming together, but we're getting there. Hot today down there.